You're throwing away something your plants would gladly eat. They're only potato peels. Instead of throwing it, we can prepare a highly recommended fertilizer from it. I thought these were just kitchen waste. Most gardeners throw away one of nature's simplest fertilizers. Let's turn them into something useful. Now comes the easiest part. Simply wait 48 hours. All right, I understand.
It looks completely different. That's exactly what we wanted. The water has pulled nutrients from the potato peels.
After 48 hours, strain the liquid.
Never waste the peels. They'll continue feeding the soil. Now add just 1 spoon of molasses. Dilute the mixture before using it with water.
These natural sugars feed the beneficial microbes already living in your soil. Ah, I see. Just a few stirs to mix it all. Looks perfect. Now, pour the fertilizer, but remember, always feed the soil, not the leaves. This feeds the roots, helps them grow strong. Why yellow? Natural nutrients, just what they need.
Week after week, the garden became greener and stronger.
Look how healthy these tomatoes are. You've done a wonderful job.
This isn't a complete fertilizer. It's a natural supplement. Keep using compost and organic matter as your main food source.
Sometimes the best fertilizer isn't hiding in a garden center. It's already waiting in your kitchen.